Full RPM here, guys, back with another legendary video. I'm looking for one lucky winner to hand them their keys to this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro in cash. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, buy the tickets, and you're automatically entered. Man, beautiful machine someone's gonna win.
Just exit 10 stacking rubber bands. I just got flapped. Just got pulled over a couple seconds back. Yeah. Just wanted to make sure I was talking with him. I was talking with him at the light. He wanted to make sure I wasn't recording him though. So he pulled me over after I was talking to him and had me kind of messed up. I was like, yo. I thought I was just talking to you. I thought it was alright. Everything was cool. He switched up on me. But nah, I thought he switched up on me. He ain't switched up on me. He just was telling me like, yo, don't record me. Don't put me out there. He's like, nah, I ain't doing that, baby. I ain't doing that. Oh, look, my man right here. That's dope. For those of you who do not know, those people be standing like statues, frozen, still in one place. See. What's up, brother? I see you peeking. Okay, got the jogger. Central Park jogger. Nah, don't even say that. Central Park jogger. That was a damn serial killer. Going to meet my boy. What's up, boy? She was ready to come up too. She was waiting for me to take it up. Take me up! Waiting to take me up. Take me up! So as soon as I touched that motherfucker, she was up in the air. As soon as I touched that motherfucker. See you peeking, baby. Simmons ripping Nation on 8th Street, all white Lexus. BK is from Texas. The boy Biggie. Boys with me. The Tata. What's up, Tata? Knicks and Nets give me high fives. Where dreams of yeah, you're in What's up, baby? You alright? Huh? Say what? Who? Nah, I ain't coming. Nah. It's just me and you.